Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is April 18th, 2025, and we're diving into the first quarter earnings report of Texas Capital Bank shares. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. I'm excited to discuss Texas Capital Bank shares' latest performance and what it means for investors.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the financial highlights. Texas Capital Bank shares reported a net income of $47.0 million for the first quarter of 2025 with an adjusted earnings per share of 92 cents. John, how does this compare to previous quarters?
Well, the net income has decreased from $71 million in the fourth quarter of 2024, but it's a significant improvement from $26 million in the first quarter of 2024. The adjusted EPS of 92 cents is slightly below the analyst forecast of 99, which was based on a survey of 6 analysts. The net interest income increased to $236 million, and the net interest margin improved to 3.19%, indicating better management of interest expenses and asset yields.
Balance sheet and capital ratios. Moving on to the balance sheet, Texas Capital Bank shares has shown strong growth. Total deposits increased to $26.5 billion, and total loans grew to $22.38 billion. What does this tell us about the company's financial health?
The growth in deposits and loans is a positive sign, reflecting the company's ability to attract and retain customers. The CET1 ratio of 11.6% and total capital ratio of 15.6% indicate a strong capital position, which is crucial for supporting future growth and absorbing potential losses.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Let's discuss operational efficiencies. Non-interest income was $44.4 million, while non-interest expenses rose to $203.0 million. How is the company managing its operational costs?
The increase in non-interest expenses is primarily due to higher salaries and benefits, which is typical for the first quarter. However, the company is focusing on achieving its financial targets, as stated by CEO Rob C. Holmes. Additionally, Texas Capital Bank shares repurchased shares worth $31.2 million, indicating confidence in its future prospects.
Credit quality and risk management. Credit quality is always a concern for banks. Texas Capital Bank shares recorded a provision for credit losses of $17 million and net charge-offs of $9.8 million. How does this impact their risk management strategy?
The provision for credit losses reflects an increase in criticized loans and economic uncertainty. However, the ratio of non-accrual loans to total loans has improved, indicating effective risk management. The company is maintaining a cautious approach to credit quality, which is essential in the current economic environment.
Key takeaways. In summary, Texas Capital Bank shares has delivered a solid performance in the first quarter of 2025, with strong balance sheet growth and improved profitability. Despite missing the EPS forecast, the company's strategic initiatives and robust capital ratios position it well for future growth. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you. It's been a pleasure discussing Texas Capital Bank shares' performance. The company shows promise, and investors should keep an eye on its strategic developments.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Texas Capital Bank shares' performance in the comments below.